Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to learn about three-dimensional problems in trigonometry. This is your lesson 5 from 4th of May to 8th of May 2020. This topic is from chapter 9 of syllabus D3 book and it is on page 284. The methodology will be audio aids, visual aids, diagram, activity, educational videos, and finally the home assignment. The objectives of today's lesson are calculate angles and lengths in 3D objects using trigonometry, solve three-dimensional problems. Dear students, in the previous lesson we have learnt about that for any right angle triangle, sin A is the ratio of opposite over hypotenuse, cos A is the ratio of adjacent over hypotenuse, tangent A is the ratio of opposite over adjacent, and we can also find out the unknown length of the right angle triangle using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Similarly, we can also apply law of sine and law of cosine to solve a triangle. Angle between a line and a plane. In the figure, G is the projection of the line B on the plane EFGH. The angle between the line BE and the plane EFGH is theta. Triangle BEG is a right angle triangle. Dear students, the basic technique involved in solving a 3D problem is to reduce it to a problem in a plane. Now let us take a question. The figure shows triangle ABC right angled at B and lying in a horizontal plane. P is a point vertically above C. Given that AB is 7 cm, BC is 6 cm and AP is 11 cm. We need to calculate the length AC in the first part. Dear students, the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. This is given to you. It is right angled at B. So for any right angle triangle, you can apply the Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, you will have AC square will be equals to 6 square plus 7 square. And on simplifying, you will get AC equals to 9.22, correct to three significant figures. In the second part, we need to calculate the length PC. Again, PCA is a right angle triangle, so you can apply the Pythagoras theorem for finding the length PC. PC square will be equals to 11 square minus 9.22 square. By simplifying, we will get the length PC equals to 6 centimeter. In the third part, we need to calculate the angle PAC. For that purpose, you need to apply the simple trigonometric ratio over here because PCA is a right angle triangle. So cos PAC is the ratio of base over hypotenuse. That is 9.22 over 11. And then on simplifying, you will get angle PAC will be equals to cos inverse 9.22 over 11. Calculate it with the help of calculator, you will get the angle 33.1 degree, correct to one decimal place. And finally, you need to find out the angle of elevation of P from B. For that purpose, consider the triangle PCB. Now tangent PBC is the ratio of perpendicular over base, that is 5.99 over 6. It will be the angle PBC will be tangent inverse 5.99 over 6, that is equal to 45 degree. Hence the angle of elevation of P from B is 45 degree. Dear students, let us take another question. In this question, the figure shows a pyramid with a rectangular base PQRS and vertex V vertically above R. Given that the length PQ is 12 cm, QR is 5 cm, and VR equals to 3 cm, we need to calculate the angle VQR and angle VPR. For the angle VQR, consider the triangle VQR. It's a right angle triangle with its base 5 cm and perpendicular 3 cm. So you can apply the simple trigonometric ratio over here. Tangent angle VQR is the ratio of perpendicular over base, that is it will be equal to 3 over 5. And angle VQR will be equal to tangent inverse 3 over 5. Find the angle with the help of calculator. You will get it equal to 31 degrees. In the second part, we need to calculate the angle VPR. For this purpose, we need to calculate first the length of the diagonal PR. See the right angle triangle PQR. In this, by applying Pythagoras theorem, PR square will be equals to PQ square plus QR square, and on simplifying we will get the value of PR equals to 13 centimeter. Afterwards, now see the right angle triangle formed VPR over in the figure. It's a right angle triangle as VR is normal to the plane PQRS. Apply the simple trigonometric ratio on this right angle triangle. Tangent VPR is the ratio of base over perpendicular over base, that is 3 over 13. Now find the angle VPR. It will be equal to tangent inverse 3 over 13. Use the calculator for finding its angle. It will be equal to 13 degree up to 1 decimal place. Now its summary recap. Solve three-dimensional problems using trigonometry. Dear students, don't forget to watch the videos. Home assignment now. You need to solve exercise 9C from question 1 to 9 from syllabus D3 book.